Hello students. Today we will discuss about chapter 8 controlling. What is controlling? Controlling is actually the process of bringing desired results closer to the desired results. Controlling function confirm that all the activities are done according to the plans. Controlling is most important function of the management as it find out the differences between the actual performance and the standard performance and take corrective action. Actually, controlling function tries to bring the result which we desire. It is the process of comparing actual performance with the planned performance, finding out deviations and taking corrective actions. Controlling function try to remove all those discrepancies due to which our performance lacks. Our performance falls short of planned performance. Now, features of controlling. First feature of controlling is it is a continuous function of management. Continuous function of management means controlling is not done at the last. When the work will be completed, then we will do the controlling. No. Controlling is a continuous function. It has to be done continuously. It has to be done at regular intervals so that whenever there are any differences, any deviations, they can be corrected at the earlier stage rather than waiting for the whole year. Like in your school, exams, class test, your performance is measured regularly at so small intervals. It is not that you are put it for the board exams directly. We check your performance regularly, we tell you your shortcomings, we make steps to improve you, we take steps to correct your mistakes. So controlling is not the function which is done at last, but controlling is done at regular interval to bring out the desired results. Controlling is all pervasive. All pervasive everyone knows. All pervasive means कि controlling is not the function of top level manager. Rather, this function of management is performed by manager at all the levels. Whether he is top level, whether he is middle level or he is lower level manager, every manager tries to check the performance of his subordinates so that they are able to bring the desired results. Then controlling is goal oriented process. What is goal oriented process? Goal oriented process means कि all the work of controlling is done for the realization of goals of the organization. Then controlling is looking back. How controlling is looking back? When you measure the actual performance for comparing it with the standards, you look at your past performance. So controlling is the process of checking and verifying the past performance. So we can say controlling is looking back. Next feature of controlling is it is forward looking. How controlling is forward looking? When under controlling we find out the deviations. We find out the causes of deviations. We find out the reasons of these deviations and then we take corrective actions.